Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to walk you through a super useful skill, how to build a code toolkit in Notion. If you're working on different projects or juggling various bits of code in your day-to-day workflow, having this kind of toolkit means you'll have all your snippets stored in one beautiful, organized hub. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up this toolkit so your code collection is never more than a click away. Let's dive right in. First things first, what exactly is a code toolkit in Notion? Imagine it as your own central storage, like a digital filing cabinet where you keep pieces of code you want to reuse or reference. Whether you're tracking scripts, SQL queries, or simple HTML tags, everything can live here, tidy and at your fingertips. So, to get started, decide where you want this toolkit to live. You can put it directly on your dashboard for quick access, or nest it inside an existing page if you're organizing by project or category. There's no right or wrong, just whatever fits your workflow best. Once you've picked your spot, here's how to start building. In Notion, type #gallery and hit enter. This creates a new gallery database, the backbone for your code toolkit. If you've used galleries before for things like recipes or project boards, you'll know they're great for visually sorting related items. Each card in the gallery will hold a separate piece of code, so you can quickly browse your snippets. Next, give your gallery a name that makes sense to you. Maybe call it Code Toolkit, Snippets Library, or something that'll catch your eye when you're searching for it later. Naming helps you keep your Notion workspace organized, especially as your toolkit grows. Now, it's time to add your first code. Click on New inside your gallery to create a new card. This is where you'll store a single code snippet. Open the card, and here's the trick. Type /code, and you'll see the code block appear. This is Notion's way of letting you paste and format code neatly. Paste your snippet inside and select the language from the drop-down so your formatting looks sharp, whether it's Python, JavaScript, Ruby, or anything else. You can keep repeating this process for as many codes as you need. Add a new card for each snippet, and it's totally up to you what you include. Maybe an explanation or notes inside each card, or even helpful comments for future reference. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to get used to, especially if you're managing lots of code. Organization here will really pay off the next time you need that perfect little snippet. For a nice personal touch, Notion lets you add icons and covers to each card. Consider choosing icons that match the type of code, or use colors and images that help you pick out what you need faster. It might seem like a small step, but organizing visually can make your code toolkit a pleasure to use. And honestly, that's all there is to it. You've laid the foundation of a flexible, easily expandable system. Whenever you discover a new bit of code you want to keep, just pop open your gallery and add it in. Over time, your toolkit will become an invaluable resource, a place to grab, edit, and store code for any project. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd love it if you hit that like button. And if you still have any questions or want to share how you're building your own toolkit in Notion, drop a comment below. Let's chat. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!